You keep putting the smoke back in your mouth when you're not even smoking it.
I cannot wait to stop. We're almost at Trevor's now, guys. I want to spit.
Oh yeah, I have to pull it soon.
Oh,
You're fucked.
which way does this bus go?
That way.
Left
Oh,
way.
this way. Wait, that way?
Left to right.
I think this way.
Where are we going?
This is the...
What the fuck?
We can get off the next bus stop and walk.
Where are we going?
Shh, they're turning around that way.